This tutorial is for 5th grade, Module 2, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we're going to start looking at estimated products of numbers. This will help the students in future lessons as we work through multiplication. We can see whether our answers are reasonable by thinking about the estimated products. To begin with, I'm looking at 597 times 52. I'm going to round each of these numbers and then determine my estimated product. Well, 597 is close to 600. That would be the nearest hundred. So I'll change that to 600. 52 is close to 50. So now my new problem is 600 times 50. I can think of 6 times 5 to get me started, which is 30. And now I have to multiply it by 100 and by 10. Those place value zeros remind me that 600 is actually 6 times 100. 50 is actually 5 times 10. So if I take my 100 times my 10, that's 1,000. So my answer is 30,000. So a reasonable answer, or reasonable estimate, for 597 times 52 is 30,000. Looking at the next problem, I have 1,103 times 59. 1,103, if I round it to the nearest thousand, would be 1,000. 59, rounded to the nearest 10, would be 60. And if I take 1 times 6, I get 6. If I take 1,000 times 10, I get 10,000. So my final answer would be 60,000. 6 times 10,000 would be 60,000. So a reasonable estimate for 1,103 times 59 is 60,000. In this section, we can clarify our rounding procedures to see if our new factors do indeed multiply to the final product. So for this number 571, if I round it to the nearest hundred, that would round to 600. And 43 rounded to the nearest 10 would round to 40. Well, I know that 6 times 4 is 24, and then 100, those are my two zeros there, times 10 would equal 1,000, and that's how I end up with 24,000. In the next problem, 726 rounds to 700. 674 also rounds to 700. 7 times 7 is 49. 100 times 100 would be 10,000, for a final answer of 490,000.